Well, hi. I bought a shitty jet ski off Facebook Marketplace that I don't know if it runs or not. Do I know anything about jet skis? Nah. Nope. Nah. I gotta make a Dolly. This is what I got so far. Okay. So make this easy. So let's cut a 6-inch piece. Should we go? It's gonna be 18 inches high. I don't think I want it that high, do I? How high do I want? How much do I want to bend over? 20 inches. Let's cut a 6-inch piece. That's what we're gonna do. It's cold in here. Brr. It's cold out this morning. I had to get a fire going. Puppy. You're all cracked out. You're acting all cracked out again. What? What? Just go lay down. What are you looking at? Don't look at the sun. Don't look at the sun. Please. Go lay down. All right. Those are geese you're hearing. Chill out. It's not an intruder. All right. Bobby, I'm gonna tell you what I gotta get done, okay? Listen. You're not listening. I gotta sand this metal because it's not welding right. I gotta grind some of this down to get past this paint. You could care less. Don't look at the bright blue light, okay? Don't look at it. Don't look at it. You gotta wear this if you're gonna look at it. Put it on. Put it on! Put it on! No? Okay. I get it. Would you please? I need my bird dog to be able to see, okay? That is your goal, is to see. Because who's gonna walk me through the trees? All right, go lay down. Go lay down. Here. Go lay down. Come here. Lay down. So, hey, go lay down. Go lay down. I need my bird/hunting dog to be able to see. You don't understand how this works. All right, chill. Take a pause. Take a pause. Sheesh. Okay. I gotta take this thing off my head. Actually, we can grind. Let's grind, shall we? What do I got? Blowing up my TV. It's okay. It's okay. Go back. Lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. Say, Hey, 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 hey. Hey, lay down. Lay down. Oh, hey, oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, that we're good, right? Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Ah! Come on. Oh. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. All right, come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. All right, come on. Here. Oh, here. Oh, here. Here. Oh. Ah, no. No. I didn't say come. Here. Oh. Here, oh, here, oh. Ah, no! No! Oh, hey, oh, hey. Here. Say, here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, good girl, puppy. All right, go bad. Go bad. Hey, hey. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Fat. Hold. I didn't know you. Blah, blah, blah. Come on, hey. That's not what we're doing. You gotta stay on the pad until I say here. Okay? So stay on the pad. Hold it. Hold it. No, stop it. Hey, sit here. Here. Hold it. Ah, hold it. Don't lick that. Ugh. Yuck. You nasty. Where'd you go? Hey. Oh, whatever. Go lay down. What was I doing? Oh, yeah. Do another thing. Nothing to it but to do it. All right, straps off there, right? On the backside. Right, okay. Do need to clean my garage after I get this done. It's not great for mine. All right, so this is gonna wanna move on us. Sure. I don't know if I got this side on. It'd be fine, because this stuff right here is gonna block. Yeah. All right, and then this is gonna wanna move too. So we're gonna have double movement. Just be aware of double movement. Okay. No one panic. No one panic. Hold on, I'm losing my drawers here.
You know it's made in Canada?
No. I thought, they're not jet skis. Jet ski is not a snowmobile. Okay. Let's keep going.
Oh yeah, and the trailer's probably gonna try to tippy-tappy on us too, huh?
Alright, hold on. I think this through. So if I just go forward and then I can just go pink. Shapink. You know what I'm saying?
It's not gonna...
Oh, it's gonna want to fall forward because my jack stand here is seeing some things. Where's my jack? Huh? Yeah, it's just a touch. I need new tools. They're all falling apart, babe.
Can we block that? No, it'll be fine. It only rolls when you don't want it to. It's fine. Trailer doesn't go anywhere crazy.
Ready? That's perfect. It's pivoting.
Pivot! Pivot!
Let's see here. Let's get this, Are you on the trailer?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Should I not be?
I don't know.
Your thing is not attached to anything.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So that's just for looks.
Yeah, I bought it that way. So I want to pivot.
Okay.
Alright, now we pivot. It's alright.
Hold on. Let me get over there.
Can't go into work, guys. Sorry, jet ski accident. Hike my friggin' pants up. Huh?
There you go.
I thought you said it broke. I was like, of course it did.
Hold on.
I can straighten it up. I'll try to get this out.
What? Why didn't you attach anything?
It works. Yeah, I don't know what that is about. All right, now I need to pull it back a little bit.
You should probably block it for the move.
Hold on. We are off centered.
Which way?
So this needs to go this way. There it goes.
You didn't even need my help. You're doing better for women.
And then pull it back.
More?
No, I think we're good. All right.
Which is probably
Huh?
a huge hole. Trailer out. Very nice.
Hot dog. Watch your face.